This is Dick. Yes. Today I will show you the GZ zanotti. Yes, this white shoes with two golden buckles. Yeah. First, we see the shoe box first. Yeah, this is dust bags. And silver colors with the GZ. Material is touched softly, just like authentics. And we see the square box. Yes, this is not just like authentic shopping box. Very cool. And what's inside? Yeah, you see, just like authentic ones. And then we see the shoes. Yes. Firstly, the white, soft, touched very softly and smooth, just like authentics. And there's two colors. One is white, another is golden. Here's two golden buckles. You see. Very cool. And this is one golden zippers. Because these zippers very cool. Yeah. Okay, and you can see the insole. Yes, silver colors, letters GZ zanotti in the insole. Then we see also white color, and it's made in Italy clearly. Yeah, touch very smooth. Then we see the skin, very softly. In the inside is member skin. Yes, touched just like authentic. Okay, very cool. Two golden zippers. You see? Okay, you can open very big, large. Yeah. Very cool shoes. Yes. If you guys like this, you can contact to me. I will waiting for you anytime. Yes. See you next time.